Can you grab your toes, Keegan? Can you grab your toes, Jackson? Let's see. Hey, you could do it. Can you do it, Keegan? Grab your toes. Hey, you could do it. And you can roll to your side. My goodness, you guys must be related. Can you do a flip? Oh, wait. Do it over there, away from Keegan.
Where?
Go back up just a little bit and then do it. Yeah. Now go that way. Yep. Yep. You did it!